Okay, so let's begin with our bug scrub today. As usual, we are going to go over the things that we did triage from last meeting. We do this twice a week. So this is how we keep track of the last PR that we triaged. I already opened the ones, but you can see that this is the last one we tracked. So I opened all these tabs for the ones that we are going to go through today.
SIG PM has a cap out for the triage labels. So soon we should be able to get rid of.
That's amazing. So every time we triage one, we would put, whatever assignment and then /triage.
Yeah, it's triage.
Okay, perfect. It's very good. Did you send that proposal or they?
No, I pinged somebody in SIG PM about it, and then they said there's a cap, and then they asked me to comment on it, and I said no.
Thank you. Okay, let's go through them. Number one is open immutability instrument authenticators. Looks like he already tagged a lot of people.
Well, can you tag me on this?
Yes. Hi, Lubomir.
It's recorded today, just so you know.
Yeah. So everybody behave, please. So this is okay. Very good. Next one. It's open. It says disable HTTP2 while proxying a connection upgrade request. 3 files change. When proxying connection upgrade requests like WebSockets, we dial the target and then manually write the HTTP request. Okay. This sounds like something. Sorry, I touched something. Okay. Yes.
Can you tag Chow in this one, maybe?
Yeah, I was thinking on that because of the network proxy work, right?
Yeah. Also, he fixed the HTTP2 client plugin or added the missing feature in the Go library.
That's right. A good idea. Okay, thank you. Next one is merge. Client Go use Klog v3 for the sub rotation controller start stop. It looks like Jordan already went through this one. Do we need to do anything else?
No, it should be good. Let's go on.
Okay, it's only 1 file. Okay. Next one. Pumped Debian base to v1.0.1 and Debian IP tables to v11.0.3. This is a bug from Tim Auclair.
I don't know why this is.
API machinery.
Yeah.
Let's look at the files.
I think you're vacuuming something.
Happens the same to me when I am at home. Okay. I don't know why it says. I'm trying to see if any of these files is API machinery. I don't find the file that belongs to us.
Yeah, it's probably like the etcd image or something like that. I think we can go on.
Should I untag ourselves?
No, it's fine.
Okay.
It is touching an image that we own.
Okay. Thank you. Next one from Mike Spricer. Generalized non-resource policy rule. Non-resource URLs info.
I already reviewed this, and I think I think I approved it, so we're probably just waiting for it to merge.
Yeah, it is. Agree. Oh, by the way, we didn't mention today is the code freeze day, right?
Yeah.
So somebody asked today if code freeze, if to make something in needs to be tagged or it has to be already in the merge queue.
think it has to be tagged. You're muted, Han. I see your mouth moving, but it has to be tagged today. That's usually the requirement.
Okay. This is from Chao. Do not merge, test only. So I guess we can skip this one. More clear, it's impossible. Next one is merged. Use the same default namespace across event recorders. We'll approve this one. Okay, I don't know if this needs anything else. It's merged, right? So we're good.
That is interesting.
Yeah.
Can you pop up in the code? It's apparently a one-line change.
It is.
Why?
Something.
Yeah.
This needed API review. Can you tag me on this?
Yes, okay.
I think it may be a problem if all of our events that were in the system namespace start showing up in the default namespace.
Yes. Yes, Xiao, we assign something to you because you're amazing and because you know about HTTP v2, and because you're working on network proxy or something like that. Yeah. And we made you come. That's amazing. Okay. Next one, fix regex for label values to allow for slashes. David is assigned to this one. Looks like nobody else was looking at this. Does anybody want to be on this one, or we are good with David? 2 files.
You can put me on it. I don't think this is likely to go through the API review. But I'll double check.
Thank you. Next one, work in progress, do not merge. So
yeah, we can close it. This is just to trigger CI.
Okay. Revert, implement item bucket rate limiter.
I already reviewed this one. We found a simpler way to achieve his goals. So we can come back to this if we need it later.
Okay. Thank you. Next one, fix dynamic certificates issues. Assigned to David. Well, yes, it's our files. Okay.
Dynamic certificates.
Should I tag somebody else, like Mike Danis or Jordan, or we're good?
Yeah, one of those two.
Okay, let's go with Jordan. Okay. Next one, for code freeze day, it's not that bad today. Use version auto-scaling API in code generator examples. Staging repos should not import Kubernetes.io/Kubernetes, and these types should be referring to version APIs instead of internal.
That's very right.
Oh, it's approved by Jordan, so I guess it's. It appears this slips through and hasn't been noticed sooner ago. Retest.
Yeah.
Flake.
Sounds.
Okay, Jordan.
That sounds fine. And Jordan already approved it, so I think we can go on.
Okay, this is Chao. Use V008 network proxy images.
Yeah, I will need an approval later.
Okay, you know where to go to get approvals, though.
Yeah.
Oh, it looks like David already gave you one.
But here we need.
Oh, okay.
Additional.
Yeah, I can give you that. Is Walter? Walter might be in.
No, Walter is a. Let me pin you because I haven't cut the image yet. Let me cut the image then pin.
Okay. Oh,
Yeah.
okay, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. And finally, work in progress. Move generic controller manager configuration and keep cloud share configuration somewhere. It's a cleanup. It will be useful to move generic controller manager configuration to staging repo so it can be configured by both Kube Controller Manager and Cloud Controller Manager. Yeah.
That sounds Walter.
Sounds very Walter, right? Yes, I think.
Yeah, I think Walter was talking to me about this the other day. So yeah, I would give it Walter.
Yes. Okay, hold on. So this was the last one of the pull requests. Let's record how far we got for the next time, and let's see what issues do we have today, if any. And the last one was this one. Awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Proxying WebSocket to HTTP2 capable server failed with malformed response.
This is probably the issue for the PR that we assigned to Chow.
This one, right?
Yeah.
So I will CC you. We assign you the
Please CC me.
Yeah, especially since the network proxy stuff might be replacing this.
Okay. Next one says, make Kube API server use reuse port to enable graceful bootstrapping and upgrades of self-hosted Kube API server.
Whoa.
So large description.
Yeah, they basically want, if I read that correctly, they want to start 2 instances of API server on the same machine and have them share a port so that they can shut down one without.
At the moment, when running single controller, no cluster using boot Kube upgrades process for Kube, blah, 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 blah. Some possible downsides. When scraping metrics from single Kube API server port will return different metrics on each port, depending on which instance you hit.
Why would you not use a load balancer if you want to accomplish this? I'm not convinced. Maybe you should tag me and David both in it.
Okay. Okay.
They mentioned the proxy thing in front.
All right, yeah, I'll take a look.
Mike Spricer, non-resource URLs is a misnomer. It holds path prefixes. What happened? While fixing the implementation.
Yeah, he might have a PR out already to fix this, which I may or may not have.
I don't see it here, but maybe it was not linked.
No, okay. Okay. Yeah, I don't know that we need to do anything. Mike or somebody else on the Priority and Fairness effort will probably fix this.
Okay, maybe he created this just to document. And this is the last one. Ensure server-side apply doesn't write to etcd if there are no changes. Good point.
Yeah, I thought Antoine was already on this. Is there already a PR out?
I don't know, but he's assigned to this one already, so I think we are covered, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very good. And that's the last one for today. So we covered everything. Thank you, everybody, for showing up. We'll see you next Tuesday. Have a great weekend if I don't see you. Bye.